Several users recently have been looking for a file of a Santa belt, which is actually very simple to draw, so I thought I would just show you how. You can do this using the rectangle tool or the rounded rectangle tool, depending on how you'd like your final details to look. I'm starting with a rectangle tool, and I am drawing the belt itself, which is simply one long strip. Next, hold down Shift to draw a constrained square for the outer edge of the belt buckle, and then do the same thing on the inside. Hold down Shift and draw the inner cutout of the buckle. You can always resize these later if they don't come out exactly the way you'd like them to. Next, select the whole thing and center everything. In version 2, you might have to align center and align middle separately. I don't quite remember. But either way, center everything both directions, and that's it. You have a buckle on a belt. If you would just like to cut two different colors to layer them, you're ready to go. Cut a color out of each shape, layer them, and your design is finished. If you're a perfectionist, however, and you don't want to layer and you want the pieces to fit together, then there's one more step. What we do then is we create one solid object out of the buckle by selecting the inner square, holding Shift and selecting the outer square. And now we can either modify, weld, or subtract. Either way, you wind up with one solid piece for the belt buckle. Next, we need to make a copy of that buckle. We will see why in just a minute. Now select that buckle one more time, hold Shift, select the belt, and this time we must do an object, modify, subtract. As you can see, that subtracts the buckle from the belt itself, so that if you cut the pieces and then piece them back together, instead of layering, they fit together perfectly to create your final image. Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about this technique or any others, please contact YouTube@scrapconcepts.com, and we will try our best to help.